and welcome back. Now that we have all of our materials ready and we've got our pattern paper all laid out on the table, the next step of the tutorial is to take measurements so that we can then convert those back on the paper and into our pattern. So let's get started. You'll need your tape measure, you need pen and paper, a little notebook and pen, and you'll need a chair as well. So let's get started. Let's go round your waist. So that is the part that is halfway between where your ribs end and where your hips start. So get in there halfway. Or if you've got a nice dip that goes in, then that's your waist there. But if you go halfway between your ribs and your hips and take that, a nice snug measurement. Don't go too tight and don't go too loose. Just a nice snug measurement. If your thumb sort of fits in there under the tape measure, that's good, but not too much more than that, okay? So we've got around the waist. Now, remember where you took that around the waist measurement, because you'll need that in a second. So jot that measurement down. And the next one is put your leg up on the chair and you're going to go the highest point here. It's called high thigh. So it's the highest point that you can get to, and take that measurement again, nice and snug. Then you'll need the measurement from your waist to that high thigh. So waist to high thigh. Okay. And then let's drop it down to the knee, go around your knee, and then go high thigh to knee. Then again around your ankle, and then knee to ankle. Now let's get all of those measurements down, and then there's one more to go. Now this measurement is called body rise, and you'll see that in the handout. Now you need this more so for when you're doing like tailored trousers and stuff, but in this tutorial we're just going to take it because I think it's a good exercise to do, and we will use it in the pattern, but it's not like it doesn't matter too much because we're using jersey, because it's a leisure trouser pattern. It doesn't give too much problem. But it will if you start getting into tailoring. So it's a good one to know. It's called body rise front and body rise back. So you put your tape measure on the chair and you go up to your waist. So waist to chair, that's body rise front. And then I do the same at the back. I go from my waist to the chair. Now, once you have all of those jotted down, let's go back to the table with our paper and get ready. You might want to grab a calculator as well, or if you've got a calculator on your phone, just get that to hand too.